Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! Trying to figure out how to back up your iPhone to iCloud? Great news! That's what we're going to be talking about today. First, go to your Settings app, then tap on your name, then tap on iCloud. Make sure your Photos iCloud syncing is enabled, as well as anything else you wanted backed up, and then tap on iCloud Backup and enable it on your iPhone. Now, iPhone will automatically back up whenever it's connected to power locks and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular on 5G models. If you enable that feature, you can also tap the Backup Now button at any time to do it manually. Now, if you get an error message saying that there's not enough iCloud storage, that's likely because Apple's free 5 GB plan isn't enough. So, within the iCloud page, just tap on Manage Account Storage, then tap Change Storage Plan. Here, you can upgrade to more storage plans. If that wasn't the problem, you likely have more data on your iPhone than your iCloud storage plan. So to fix that, within the Manage Account Storage page, you'll see which apps are using the most storage. And if backups is one of those, just tap on it and delete any old backups from device you no longer have access to or no longer care about. And if a huge amount of space is being used by the Photos app, you have to open it and go to the Albums view. Go down to the media types and then tap on Videos. Then proceed to select and delete the videos you don't really care to keep, since videos take up much more storage than photos do. Once you delete them, go back to the album view, go down to the recently deleted page, and then tap the select button and tap delete all to erase them from your storage. And if that's not enough, go to your settings, go to general, and tap on iPhone storage. Here you can see and delete large apps using up your storage and preventing iCloud backups. That's it. That is how we back up your iPhone to iCloud.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.